Welcome to the month of September, recognized as National Suicide Prevention Month. This month, we come together to raise awareness about a critical issue that affects countless lives. Suicide is a major public health concern and stands as one of the leading causes of death in the United States. Recent studies have brought to light a troubling trend. Over the past 25 years, suicide rates among Asian men have increased by 72%, and for Asian women, a staggering 125%. Even more concerning is the data on specific Asian American minorities and Pacific Islander groups. For example, Vietnamese American youth face an alarmingly high risk of suicide. These statistics remind us of the urgent need for targeted support within our communities. But there is hope. Together, we can help our youth, especially Asian and Vietnamese American youth, overcome this challenge. At Lyceum, we believe in the power of grace, gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement as a guiding principle to support and uplift our youth. In mid-August, the Lyceum team hosted the Youth Empowerment Summit Camp, where we served 100 campers from 6 youth-led organizations across Houston. This camp was dedicated to promoting wellness through the practice of grace, empowering our youth with the tools they need to thrive. Practicing gratitude helps shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of appreciation that can lift our spirits and combat the feelings of hopelessness. By practicing respect, we learn to honor ourselves, acknowledging our worth and treating ourselves with kindness and compassion. Accountability encourages us to take ownership of our emotions and actions, empowering us to recognize when we need help and to seek it without shame. Courage gives us the strength to face our fears and challenge the limiting beliefs that may hold us back, allowing us to push through the darkness toward the light. And by engaging with others, we build connections and the support network, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles. And the impact of grace is reaching even further. Dr. Anh Nguyen's book, Living in Grace, Living Your Best Life Now, has been translated into Nepali and is being prepared to support a suicide prevention training program for teachers, social workers, and healthcare professionals in Nepal. Through this initiative, we aim to extend the reach of grace to those in need, offering help and support to communities around the world. Let us stand together this September and beyond, committed to making a difference in the lives of our youth. By embracing gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement, we can empower ourselves and others to overcome challenges and build a future where no one has to face these struggles alone.